However, since benchmark was not stipulated for giving the appointment stop, what is done in the instant case is that a decision is taken to give appointments only to those persons who have secured 70% marks or above marks in the unreserved category and 65% or above marks in the reserved category stop. In the absence of any rule on this aspect in the first instance, this does not amount to changing the rules of the game stop. The High Court has rightly held that it is not a situation where securing of minimum marks was introduced which was not stipulated in the advertisement standard was fixed for the purpose of selection stop. Therefore, it is not a case of changing the rule of game stop. On the contrary, in the instant case, a decision is taken to give appointment to only those who fulfilled the benchmark prescribed stop. Fixation of such a benchmark is permissible in law stop. This is an altogether different situation not covered by Himani Malhotra case stop para. The decision taken in the instant case amounts to short listing of candidates for the purpose of appointment which is always permissible stop. For this course of action of the CCI, justification is found by the High Court noticing the judgment of this court in the state of Haryana versus Subhash Chandra stop. In that case, Rule 8 of the Punjab Civil Service Judicial Branch stop service rules was the subject matter of interpretation stop. This rule stipulated consideration of candidates who secured 45% marks in aggregate stop. Notwithstanding the same, the High Court recommended the names of candidates who had secured 55% marks and the government accepted the same stop. However, later on it changed its mind and High Court issued order directing appointment to be given to those who had secured 45% and above marks instead of 55% marks stop. In appeal, the judgment of the High Court was set aside, holding that it is contended that the state government have acted arbitrarily in fixing 55% as the minimum for selection, and this is contrary to the rule referred to above stop. The argument has no force. Rule 8 is a step in the preparation of a list of eligible candidates with minimum qualification who may be considered for appointment stop. The list is prepared in order of merit stop. The one higher in rank is deemed to be more meritorious than the one who is lower in rank stop. It could never be said that one who tops the list is equal in merit to the one who is at the bottom of the list. Stop, except that they are all mentioned in one list for the purpose of appointment. Stop.